Hi everybody, welcome back to another new tutorial, and today I will talk about the top graphics design website. So if you are new into my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open a browser. I open a browser and simply search here Canva and simply open it. And you can also use this mobile application. I will provide the link in the description. You can download from here. Otherwise you can use their website. So what is in the Canva? I will explain it. First, the presentation. You can make a presentation video for your project. Then next, in the logo, you can create a logo for your business and your personal needs. And then third is the desktop prototype. It's not very important. And then the most important is the Instagram post. You can make an Instagram post from here. And then you can make a poster, you can make a video, you can make a banner, and also you can make a website template from here. And also you can make a flyer, card, Instagram story, business card, and many more. You can check here. And today I will show you some designs from Canva. And I click the logo, and after open it, you can see here you can see many logo template in here, and some is free and some is pro. And I will take a simple logo for explain it. You can see many template here. You can use from your requirement, and you can customize it from your needs. See many template here. Okay, I will take it and explain it. You can move it anywhere, and you can text here anything. Go to the text, select one, and you can text here anything. I will delete it. And you can upload your own file, like logo, text, anything from here. And here is some element they provide you, some shapes, some graphics, some photos, stock photos, and some videos. And you can see many template. Okay, I will go back and talk about the another. And I go to the social media. Okay, I will go to the Facebook cover, and you can design your Facebook cover photo from here. And you can see the many template here. And I simply pick one. Okay, I will simply pick it. And you see this is a very attractive one, and you can customize it, and you can replace your photo on here. Okay, so guys you can know about the Canva, the best graphics design website. If you are interested in design, you can use the Canva website for your design. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you can subscribe this channel for more update.